Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I'm working with Zeelool. They sent me over some glasses I'm going to share with you guys today. A few of them I did not pick out, so it's going to be a surprise to me as well as you guys. I'm very excited to show you guys these glasses today, and I want to thank Zeelool for sponsoring this video as well. Before we go ahead and get into this try on haul, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into these glasses. So first, the box looks like this. Honestly, you guys, I'm not sure. I don't remember how many glasses they sent me, but I think I only picked out 2 pair, if I remember correctly. You can get these glasses in prescription. You can get them in sunglasses. You can get them clear. You can also get them in blue lights as well. Yes, you can get some prescriptions. So they send you this little like measuring board so you can get them to fit your face. They also sent over these little cloths to wipe your glasses. Yes, these are all the frames that they sent me. So it looks like I have 7. And I'm pretty sure I only picked out 2 of these. Let's go ahead and get into it. I hope there's some really cute sunglasses, because I was just talking to my daughter about how I want to start wearing sunglasses. And honestly, I think I might be, I just been thinking about it a lot, but I think I'm getting out of like my neutral girl era, because I've been looking at color and I'm like, oh, I want to do it. Oh, I want to do it. Let's get into it. Let's see. I'm very, very excited. I'm actually really excited that I don't know what glasses I'm gonna get, because it's like a surprise. So anyway, Russian roulette. Let's open the first one. It's the first pair. Okay. So it comes with a little film over it, so we're gonna just take that off. Nice. And these look like they're blue lights. As you can see, my ring light is giving blue, so that's how you can tell. But these are a gorgeous light, a clear blue, and then it has like this little zipper, this zipper detail on here, which is unique, really unique and cute. But yes, it's a blue color. Love that. I love this frame style, by the way, so let's try it on. Wow, yes, these are gorgeous. These are really, really gorgeous. Love this like little square. It has a tiny, tiny cat eye. I love a clear, and this blue is just like very, very subtle. Love this. I love these actually. It fits really, really nicely on the nose. Not too tight of a fit for my large head. Love this. Love these. And honestly, I would never pick out a blue pair of frames, because I just don't. It's kind of like a shadowed blue, like a shadowed clear blue. I love it. I love it. I love these. These are gorgeous. I want to wear these to work. And this detail, like, oh my gosh, in the summertime with like jeans and sneakers, like these are really cute with jeans and sneakers. Because this is giving back to school, okay? Absolutely, you can even wear a backpack. Wear a backpack with these. So next we have these cute clear frames. These ones are very, very similar to the last ones. The frame is just a tiny bit chunkier. Chunky right here as well on the arms. The nose rests are really nice. Love these. These sit on the nose really, really well. Love that. These are really, really cute. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my gosh. Stop it. I'm wearing glasses, even if they're not sunglasses. I'm wearing glasses this summer. These are so beautiful. I love how big and chunky they are. I feel like it fits my face really, really well. Really, really classy, understated, but still present as well. These are so stinking cute. I don't know, y'all. So far, I think these ones are my favorite. Nice and clear. How stinking cute. All right, next pair. Let's see if they just sent me like a whole bunch of clear glasses. We got some funky ones. Oh, wow. These are so spunky. Oh my gosh. So they're like blue, green, red, tie-dye, or is it tortoise? It's probably a tortoise, yes. So it's blue, green, clear, and orangey red. Tortoise? What? How adorable are these? What? Oh my gosh. Look at the detail on here. I love this little gold plaque on the corner. That's really, really cute. These are so spunky. These glasses make me want to wear overalls. I want to wear overalls with these glasses. I feel like these glasses are due for a pair of overalls with them. What? Oh my gosh. Definitely. Make sure you pack your overalls if you're wearing these, or just wear them to the airport. But you better believe you need to be wearing some overalls with these. See that? There we go. You see the negative space right here and right here. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is so unique. These are so unique. These are definitely fun. All right, so here's the next one. So is this pink? Pink with a little tortoise on there. Hold on, let's get close. How cute. And I love how it's like, it comes up on one side and only halfway up on the other. Splits in half diagonally. Very cute. And then the arms are pink. Really stinking cute. This frame is so cute. Honestly, this pink is a really, really pretty pink. In real life, it's a little bit darker, but because of my lights, it's making it like a little brighter. But it's honestly, it's more like a pinky, like it's like a darker pinky. I want to say plum, but it's not that dark. But it looks like it's like this color mixed with a little plum to make it darker. But who are you telling? What? Oh my gosh, these are stunning. It's so cute. These are so cute. I need to start wearing some color in my life. I really do. I've been jaded and shaded for many, many years. Many, many years. I think I'm ready to step out. Not get rid of my stuff, but I'm ready to step out. Next pair. These are some really, really cute. Oh, okay. First of all, I've been seeing these exact glasses all over YouTube. Pretty black girl, she's on the advertisement for these exact glasses, and she said these are the perfect black frame, and I will only know because of the sparkly trim on the side. Yes, I can never forget it. Very, very simple, dead on, and then a piece of glam on the side. Really, really beautiful glasses, and a little understated with some glam. Okay, little rose gold detail right here. Really, really pretty. Wow, let's try these on. I know exactly what she meant. You just look like elegant and just innocent. And like this lets you know there's a little edge about you. Like you put your on. Like I'm a little friendly. Come talk to me. What? What? These are so freaking cute. And she was right. She was right. These glasses are so stinking cute. I love them. I love how thin the frames are. I love the rose gold detail and the glitter on. Okay, but when they're just staring at you, you're just like, oh, they want to listen. And then when they walk past, they're like, oh, hey, girl. Wow. I love these frames. These are 100% sure my favorite so far. 100%. Oh, love them. So we got 2 more left, you guys. So the next pair, I think I probably picked these ones out. This just looks like something I would pick out. All right, so here are the next pair. These are tortoise at the top half with a little chrome trim, little silver trim. These are gorgeous, and I love this style. Look at the little detail here. I think is it a rose gold? Nope. This is a little gold strip plaque. Like, I love these. Then it has these little plastic nose rests. These aren't my favorite nose rests, but I do understand you have to do that with these type of glasses. It has a gold trim around the frame. Really, really cute gold nose rest or strap that goes across here. I love that as well. Love. These are just really, really cute. These are like my style, but let's go ahead and try these on. Ooh, they're so cute. Yes. Yes. That's why I picked these out. That's exactly why I picked these out. Ooh. These are my favorite. These are my favorite. Oh my God, I should just wear these to work tomorrow. If I needed to wear glasses every day, these are the type of glasses I would want to wear every day. These are the glasses that I'm not gonna lose at a restaurant on a table. I'm not gonna forget them in the bathroom stall. I'm not gonna forget them by the sink when I'm washing my face. These are the glasses that I would wear. These are everything. I love them. Yes. I probably picked these out too because I always pick out the same. I probably picked these out too because I always pick out the same stuff. Everything looks the same in my wardrobe. Everything looks the same. Zoom in. Look at these. These, you can't tell me these colors are not everything together. And the way they did this, like a mimic on a tortoise, like I love this. Love how thick this is on the arm. I love this thickness, and then fold over the ears. Love that. I love a chunky frame, and it has a cat eye. You're not kidding? I know you're not kidding. This is gorgeous. Yes. This goes with everything in my drawer. Everything in my drawer, everything hanging up. This is going with everything. These glasses look edible. I love them so much. I want to eat them up. And they have a cat eye. And they fit my face. Yes. This is big girl head friendly. Yes, these are big girl head friendly. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go out wearing these beauties because these are my absolute favorite. But let's just be honest, top 3 right here. All 3 of these need to be in arm's reach, okay? I love them. I cannot complain. I loved it. Make sure you guys comment below what was your favorite pair of glasses. Don't forget to check out the description box below. I will have all the links to all these glasses below. Let's talk about it. Thank you again, Zeelool, for sponsoring this video and sending over these glasses to share with everyone. I love them. You picked out some really, really great glasses. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys think. Thank you everybody for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.